When we had a meeting with the Honorable Prime Minister last time, he has clearly directed all the states to ensure that the necessary system and logistics are in place to implement the vaccination process as and when the vaccines are approved by the by the scientists and the overall regulatory authorities. So basically for the state of Meghalaya, we have, since the first phase will be a phase where medical and frontline workers will be the first to be immunized. So therefore it will be a slightly more structured and easier process because most of them will be able to go to the closest health center and receive the vaccination. So we are very much ready with that. We have asked all the deputy commissioners to ensure that the manpowers are put in place, the respective infrastructure put in place. So that will be the first phase, and we expect that there will be maybe most probably 2 dosage that will be required for every individual, which we are not clear yet, but this is what we were told. So we will have to wait and see when the final information comes to us. Today, the government of UK has approved the Pfizer vaccine, so that's a positive news. So hopefully we'll see that as the days and the weeks go by. We are all hoping that this will happen soon, but I think more importantly, the state should be ready to implement it in a swift manner.